Tired of doing the same boring word tasks over and over? Learn to create a macro that does it for you in seconds. Imagine formatting a whole document with one click, or applying the same edit 100 times without lifting a finger. That is what we are building today. A custom macro that automates your repetitive work so you can focus on actually getting stuff done. Here is the plan. I will show you exactly how to enable the Developer tab, record your first macro, and save it for reuse. Let us dive in. First, we need to access the Developer tab since it is hidden by default. Microsoft keeps it tucked away because most people do not need it. But for what we are doing, it is the center of operations. So look at your ribbon at the top of Word. If you do not see a tab that says Developer, do not worry. Right-click anywhere on the ribbon and choose Customize the ribbon. On the right side, you will see a list of main tabs. Find Developer and check the box next to it. Click OK, and now you will see that tab appear right there. This is the same method I have used across countless Word setups, and it works every time. Once the tab is visible, click on Macros to start. You will find it in the code section right in the middle of that Developer tab. Go ahead and click it. A small dialog box will pop up. This is where all your macros live. Right now the list is empty, but not for long. Now click Create to open the VBA editor. This might look a little intimidating with its code window and menu bars, but do not let it scare you. We are not writing anything by hand. Word is going to do all the heavy lifting for us. Just click that Create button and a blank editor window opens up. Give your macro a descriptive name so you can find it later. Up at the top of that new window, you will see a line that says Sub and then something like New Macros. That is your macro name. Highlight it and type something meaningful. Something like Format Report or Cleanup Table. Avoid spaces though. Just run the words together like one long word. Make it clear what this macro does. Trust me, future you will thank you when you have a dozen of these saved. Click OK to finalize the macro creation. Now you are back in the main Word window. Notice that the cursor has a little cassette tape icon next to it. That means Word is listening. It is ready to record every single thing you do. Now perform the actions you want to automate while Word records them. This is where the magic happens. Think carefully about the steps you want to repeat later. Maybe you want to set a specific font and size, apply bold formatting, adjust the alignment, add a border. Whatever it is, do it now exactly as you want it saved. Every click, every menu selection. If you make a mistake, do not stress. You can always record a new one. Just take your time and be deliberate. When done, stop the recording to save your macro. Look back at the Developer tab. In that same code section, you will see a button that says Stop Recording. It looks like a little square. Click it. That cassette tape icon disappears and your macro is now saved. It is locked in and ready to go. Finally, test your macro to ensure it works perfectly. Select some text or place your cursor where you want the action to happen. Go back to the Macros button in the Developer tab. Find your macro in the list. Click Run. Watch it do its thing. If everything works, congratulations, you just saved yourself tons of future work. If something is off, just delete the macro and record it again. It only takes a few seconds, and now you know exactly how to do it. So there you go. From manually repeating the same tedious tasks to automating them with a single click. This is one of those skills that quietly saves you hours every single week. And now it is yours.